Hi folks, I wrote a book, How Art Keeps Me Sane, a creative path to mental well-being, and I thought I'd read a few words from each of the chapters. You'll see a link to the book on Amazon in each of the chapters if anyone wants to take a look at it. I wrote it because I wanted to sort of champion the idea of how art can help with mental health situations and give a few examples of the sort of things that I've experienced in the past. So I thought I'd just start off with a paragraph from the preface. It reads, "Time at the easel is precious. It's a place where I can sit undisturbed and lose myself in a painting. The process makes me focus on the here and now, forgetting any issues of the day. Whilst painting, I can take myself to another world, a place of beauty and enchantment. Often, the only sounds are those of the birdsong in the garden, adding another layer to the soothing process. I always paint places where I'd love to be at that particular moment in time. I think that's one of the things that attracted me to landscape painting in the first place, rather than still life or portraits or anything else like that. So for me personally, the painting process is the benefits are twofold. Not only is it the actual painting itself, getting absorbed in the brush strokes and working out the contrasts and the colours, but also when it's finished, I've got a world that I can imagine myself in that's as far removed from real life as you can possibly get, having lived for the first 50 years of my life living in the city. I think that's what draws me to sort of wild landscapes, especially like the Scottish Highlands and all these sorts of places with lakes and mountains. And the beauty of watercolour is it's available for anyone. It's the cheapest medium to start off in. In fact, most of the time I've spoken in previous videos about why watercolour is a good place to start, and about the benefits of using cheap materials. In particular, I always use the cheapest materials. I'm still using, after nearly 20 years, student quality paints, because you can get decent results and you don't have to worry about things going wrong. So I'll catch you in the next video and I'll have a look at chapter 1 of the book. Cheers.